Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of Dashi Bites. Today I'm going to make tandoori chicken. Tandoori chicken is a dish that's marinated with yogurt and spices such as cayenne powder, cumin, lemon juice, garlic, and ginger. And this is then roasted in the oven or traditionally in a tandoor oven. But today we don't have a tandoor oven, so we'll be using a regular oven. Before we start cooking our dish, let's go talk about where this dish originated. Also, I have the ingredients below in my description. In 1947, tandoori chicken was created by Kundan Lal Gujral, who is from the Punjab state of Pakistan, and opened up a restaurant in Delhi where this dish quickly became popular all over South Asia. Though tandoori chicken was made by a Pakistani, it is a staple of Indian cuisine and all over South Asia and the Middle East and is enjoyed by everyone. So let's go start cooking our dish. Hello everyone, welcome to episode 8 of Dashi Bites. Today we're going to make tandoori chicken. So here are our ingredients. We have 4 leg and thigh chickens. These are slit and washed. We have 1/3 cup of yogurt, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. We have some tandoori masala. We're going to use 2 tablespoons, and we have half a lemon juice. So first, you want to start by getting your yogurt, and this is 1/3 of a cup. Get the yogurt in, and we're going to add our ginger garlic paste. We get everything. And we empty this out. Okay. Then half a lemon juice. We're gonna add our tandoori masala, and we're gonna mix this really well. Get the yogurt incorporated very well. So I'm mixing my chicken mixture with all the spices. And at the end, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of oil into our mixture at the end, after we fully incorporated everything, and we're gonna add the oil. As you can see, it's fully incorporated. You see it's all red, mixed in. So it's time to add our 2 tablespoons of oil. And also I have all my ingredients in the description below. So I finished mixing my chicken. They're all fully red, as you can see, all incorporated with the yogurt. And it's time to let this marinate for 3 hours so all the flavors can seep in deep inside the chicken. I'll see you back in 3 hours and we'll cook this. After the chicken has been marinating for 3 hours, all the flavor has seeped in, and now it's time to cook it. So I have my oven preheated to 400, and it's time to place the chicken onto the pan. One. Get the second one. And that's our 4th one. So we're gonna put this into the oven, and we're gonna cook it for 1 hour and 30 minutes, and flipping it halfway. You put it in the oven. And I'll see you in 1 hour and 30 minutes after the chicken is done. So after 1 hour, our chicken is almost done, and I want to add some onions and bell pepper. So I'm gonna get this out, and I'm gonna flip this as well. Okay. And we're gonna flip this. Flip it the other side. And flip this one. And I want to add some vegetables, so I'm gonna add some more vegetables, and I'm gonna let it cook for more, like around 15 more minutes. Or 30 minutes. Just pour that all over. So I finished putting all my vegetables onto my chicken and my tray. So it's time to put it back for another 15 minutes so it can cook. Open this. And we're gonna let that cook for another 15 minutes, 30 minutes, and we'll come back. After 30 minutes, we let our peppers and our chicken cook even more. And it's done. So it's time to take it out since it's done. And we're gonna make our porta after this. So here's our chicken. As you can see, it's nice and juicy with all the roasted vegetables, and then we're gonna make our porta. So it's time to make our porta. So I have 2 portas here, and I'm gonna I have some butter on my pan already, and it's time to put it on medium low heat, and you're just gonna let that cook until it's golden brown, and we're gonna flip it halfway. As you can see, it's golden brown, and we're gonna let the other side finish up. And I like a little bit more. I like some butter on mine, so I like to add a little extra. So as you can see, our porta has a golden brown consistency, and it's time to plate it, and I'm gonna let the other one fry up. So this is our final product of tandoori chicken and porta, so it's time to try it. Okay, I have a small piece, and it's time to try the chicken. As you can see, the chicken just falls off the bone, and let's go try it. As you can tell, the chicken is very juicy and has a very good spice. So thank you for joining us for episode 8 of Deshi Bites, and I'll see you on the next episode. Thank you.